Hi all, in this video we are going to discuss about plane scales. Two questions of plane scales are solved in this video. The first question is, draw a plane scale of 1 centimeter equals 5 meter and show on it 37 meter. Okay, first we have to find the representative fraction or RF. RF equals distance on drawing by distance on object. What is distance on drawing? It is 1 centimeter and distance on object is 5 meter. That is 1 centimeter by 500 centimeter. That is 1 by 500. 1 by 500 is RF. Now we have to find the length of scale. Length of scale equals RF into length to be measured. Here we have to measure 37 or we have to show 37 meter. And therefore I am taking a scale of length 40 meter. Okay. Therefore length to be measured I am taking as 40 meter. Therefore length of scale equals 1 by 500 into 40 meter. That is 1 by 500 into 40 into 1000 millimeter. Here 40 meter is represented as 80 millimeter. Okay, now I am drawing a line of length 80 mm and marking it as AB. This 80 mm represents 40 meter. We have to divide this 40 meter into 4 equal parts, that is each part is 10 meter. For dividing the line into 4 equal parts, I am drawing an inclined line and cutting arcs on the inclined line. The distance between the arcs must be equal. You can take any convenient length on the compass and cut arcs on the line. Since we have to divide the line into 4 equal parts, we need to cut 4 arcs. Now I am drawing a line from the 4th arc to point B. And then I am drawing another line from the 3rd arc which is parallel to the first line. And similarly, I am drawing another line from 2nd arc which is parallel to the previous line. And also I am drawing a line from 1st arc. So finally we divided the line AB into 4 equal parts and each part is of length 10 meter and I am marking it as 0, 10, 20 and 30. And now I am drawing a small box of height. We can take 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter and I am drawing a box. Okay, now I am drawing a vertical line from point 0, 10, 20 and from 30. Okay, all are thick lines. Okay, now we divided the line into 4 equal parts and each part is 10 meter. And now we can mark 10 meter, 20 meter, 30 meter and 40 meter. 40 meter means total length of the line. But we cannot mark 37 meter. How can we mark? In order to mark 37 meter, we need to divide one division into 10 equal parts. Okay, therefore I am drawing an inclined line. And similar to previous method, I am cutting arcs on the line. We need to divide the line into 10 equal parts. Therefore, we are cutting 10 arcs. And now I am joining point 0 and the final arc, and then I am drawing the parallel lines. We need to draw total 10 parallel lines. All these lines are construction lines, therefore you have to draw using 2H pencil. Okay, now I am drawing the vertical lines. Okay, now we are dividing the first part of the main line into 10 equal parts. That is, we are dividing 10 meter into 10 equal parts, and each part is 1 meter. And for your understanding, I am marking the small divisions as 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter and up to 10 meter. Okay, now we can mark any length from 1 to 40 meter. Okay, therefore it is easy to mark 37 meter. We can see from 0 to 30 we can easily find, that is 30 meter. Okay, that length is 30 meter, and then we have to find 7 meter from the first division. Therefore total 37 meter. I am drawing a projection line from 30 meter. And now I am drawing another projection line from 7 meter. And therefore the total length is 30 plus 7, that is 37 meter. Okay, we showed the length of 37 meter. That is 30 plus 7 meter. Okay, on the right side we can write meters. The left side is also meters. The smallest division is also in meters. And the RF is 1 by 500. Okay, our drawing is completed. We successfully marked 37 meter on the scale. Okay, now we can move to the second question. The question is, construct a plane scale of RF equals 1:40 to show meters and decimeters, and long enough to measure up to 5 meter. Mark on the scale a distance of 4.3 meter. The representative fraction or RF is given in the question. It is 1 by 40, and therefore we can find the length of scale. Length of scale equals RF into length to be measured. In the question, the length to be measured is given. That is, the scale must be long enough to measure up to 5 meter. Therefore, length of scale equals 1 by 40 into 5 meters. That is 1 by 40 into 5 into 1000 millimeters, which is 125 mm. Okay, and now we are representing 5 meter as 125 mm. Okay, now I am drawing a line of length 125 mm and marking it as AB. This 125 mm line represents 5 meter, and we are going to divide this 5 meter into 5 equal parts. That is, each division is 1 meter. Therefore, I am drawing an inclined line and cutting arcs on the inclined line. We are cutting 5 arcs. The distance between the arcs is same, and then we draw the parallel lines. The procedure is explained in the first question. We have to draw 5 parallel lines from 5 arcs. Okay, we divided the line AB into 5 equal parts. That is, each part is 1 meter. Okay, now I am drawing the box. I am taking the height as 1.5 centimeter. Okay, we have to draw using H pencil. And now I am drawing vertical lines from all the points. I am naming the box as ABCD and marking points as 0, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter and 4 meter. Here now we can mark 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter and 4 meter. 5 meter also we can mark, but we cannot mark 4.3 meter. In order to mark 4.3 meter, we need to divide the first division into 10 equal parts. Therefore, I am again drawing the inclined line and cutting arcs on the inclined line. You know the procedure. I have to cut 10 arcs for getting 10 divisions. Okay, now I am drawing the parallel lines. We need to draw 10 parallel lines. And I am drawing the vertical lines. I am dividing the first division, that is 1 meter, into 10 equal parts. Therefore, each division is 0.1 meter or 10 centimeter. That is, we are dividing into decimeters. We are dividing 1 meter into 10 equal parts, which means each division is 1 decimeter or 10 centimeter or 0.1 meter we can say. Now in this scale we can mark any length that is from 0.1 to 5 meter. Okay, now I am drawing a projection line from 0.4 and another projection line from 0.3 meter. Okay, this length is 4.3 meter, that is 4 meter plus 0.3 meter or 4 meter plus 3 decimeter, or we can say 4 meter plus 30 centimeter. Okay, that length is 4.3 meter. Okay, on the right side we can write meter. Okay, unit is meter, but on the left side it is decimeter. Okay, that is 1/10th of a meter, therefore it is decimeter. and the RF is given, it is 1/40. Okay, if you want, you can mark 3.3 meter, 3.7 meter, 2.5 meter, anything. That is from 0.1 meter to 5 meter. Okay, the drawing is completed. I hope you understood the drawing. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon also. Thank you.